Hey everybody, this is Jill and the SSW Rules team. We are in France with Adam, and we are here for the sprint review 101. Let's jump on the sprint review email. Last sprint, we got two main goals. One was to migrate, to make the migration script working on our Vercel deployment and make all the rules and categories working, and also fix all the Markdown rendering issue. We got 4 PBIs for that. We managed to make the migration script working and on the SSW rules, POC, Vercel deployments. Even if we got only 4 man days, we got public holidays in France. We started the sprint on Thursday afternoon, and Hugo wasn't there on Friday.
Right.
Yeah.
So just a small thing. If you don't make 5 man days, I wouldn't be holding a sprint.
But we saw that it was important to make that sprint because it's a big achievement to make that deployment working. That's why we wanted to. And you are in France, so
makes sense.
Yeah.
One more thing, and I think I am not remembering this correctly, but we said that you were going to do something with Vercel, but you were also doing something with Azure. Is that right?
Yeah,
because Vercel is only temporary.
Yeah, it's temporary, but we put Azure deployment on the side for now, and we wanted to make sure that everything with Vercel is working fine.
Okay. Before
moving on Azure.
Can I just check? Did everyone agree with that? Oh, we did. Okay.
Yep. Good.
Okay. As long as that's clear.
That's right. We want to make sure the migration. Yeah, we changed our focus to make sure that the migration script is working instead of worrying about the environments. Because we had it running on Vercel already, we thought, okay, let's get the migration script working, and then we can start looking at Azure again.
Right. Okay.
By the way, we still have our previous Azure environment working there, but our main environment are here. It's the Vercel one. You can have a look at there.
Well, show us.
Yeah, I wanted to show you while talking about this PBI, but I can show you straight away. We've got the Vercel environment there, which is working fine. But I think we can jump on those 2 PBIs I wanted to mention, the 2 main ones about Vercel deployment. The first one is this one. It's about just making the script working and everything fine. Chloe worked on that. Maybe you want to say something?
We ran the script and converted everything from Markdown to MDX. And then we deploy every Markdown MDX files to the Vercel. Yes. So here's the website. You can see we have all the top categories, subcategories, and
can you click on?
Yes.
Yeah. But by the way,
and the list of rules, and we can check the first one.
Oh, performance is great.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we have some
images
and
so
info box.
Is everything migrated?
Yes, everything.
And all widgets are working. Or MDX extensions are working.
They are working, but we found some small Markdown issues. But we will fix that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's excellent.
Yeah, by the way, we made a done video. I think you watched it. We made 2 done video. One for the migration script and rules, and the other one for the performances.
And I gave feedback on both.
Yes, sure. That's the second one I wanted to talk about, but we already mentioned it. It's about performances. If you want performance, sorry. If you want to rewatch the V2, you've got the link there, and I mentioned that we need to do a V3 with Chloe.
Okay.
And that was all about our main goals and highlighted PBIs.
Chloe, did you need to make any changes to your migration script, or it was still the same?
At the moment, I can't think of anything to update.
Okay. So there was no changes to the migration script. It was just deploying it onto Vercel and then fixing up Next.js, really.
And Tennessee, yeah.
And
the queries. Yeah.
Oh, the Tennessee queries. Yeah. Okay, yes.
Right.
Can you expand a tiny bit on the TNS? I'm just curious what, for the TNS query.
I will tell you what I learned, which you'll learn more from the video, but it was very slow because they were dragging all fields and all records,
Mhm.
and they took a whole bunch of fields off. So basically,
Applying the filter.
yeah, they essentially had select star,
And
Yeah.
and now they've got the select the fields and they've got a where clause.
custom queries. All that.
Right. Is that something that we could have done from the get-go, or is that something that Tina
Yes.
said to?
Yeah.
Sorry.
All right. If there is any question about that,
By the way,
backlog, yeah.
do you think a normal Tina CMS user would take everything the way you've done it with too much stuff and not get a warning? Like, do you think other people would make the same mistake, but they could have had a better experience if Tina gave you a warning saying
Probably.
something, or there was some other guided experience that you didn't make that mistake first off?
Maybe if the queries take too long, maybe we could have a warning saying that we can split up with custom queries, but
I don't think it should be based on timing. It should really just be based on, yes, if you use the basic queries, warning, there could be performance issues, just like
yeah.
EF4 does if you do very large queries. I mean, it's a flag that you need to turn on, but it'll tell you, hey, you can improve performance by splitting queries.
Yeah, good point. Yeah,
maybe there's something. Yeah, that's good. Good suggestion.
It's already in the backlog.
Oh, cool.
Oh, right.
Awesome.
Okay. Awesome.
Can you join us to the PBS? We can like.
Yeah, we'll all like it. Yeah, I agree.
Right. If there is any other suggestion or question, let's move on. These are our timesheet data, which are still empty. About release, as we are still working on the POC, there is no deployment made. About AI usage, I just changed mine. I'm not using ChatGPT anymore. I'm using Claude because I prefer it.
Okay.
But for the rest, I think it's the same. We're going to add those Copilot summaries about the previous recording. And about the retro, what went well, Hugo and I saw that we are happy that we achieved our priority goal about Vercel. I was very happy with the teamwork we had with Chloe on performance issue and on videos. And happy about the setup of Vercel on the SSW Tina Vercel account. Gerd thinks that even with the limited resource, we still have goal achievements. And on what didn't go so well,
I'll just call out. We had a long discussion about what to show in the performance and how to demo that, especially more than it's just fast. Yeah. So I think that is probably a useful thing. But you don't need to add it, but I think it was important for you to learn it.
It's very important. Yeah.
I think it's worth putting down. If it's important, you should put it down.
Feedback on the performance video.
And what didn't go so well, our markdown goals are not done. And
What's that?
We still have on our priority goal, we got that markdown goal.
The small issues.
Yeah. Those one. Just 1 out of 4 are done. And Gert, not enough resource available for this sprint, but it's going to be better for the next one.
Right. What could be improved? We could have Jake helping a bit. There you go.
Yeah. We can have Jake.
Yeah.
Play less paddle too.
Yeah.
Work more.
Yes. Have we had any daily scrums in the evening? Have we got anything where we will end up with any video with following the sun?
No.
Nothing? Okay. No.
And since Jake will be joining us, we
will have
resume doing that.
Yeah.
Jake is joining the team. Is that what's going on?
Yep.
Oh.
What is following the sun?
Yeah.
Basically, we're
That's a
trying to
surprise,
make sure. Well, actually, I should let Gert, do you want to explain it? Have you read all the emails about it?
No, I haven't read all the emails, but
Okay.
in short, in a high level, it's about continuously working on a project, meaning that the Australian team can work on a piece of work then have a daily scrum with the French team in the afternoon and basically hand over, and they continue working, which will give us around 22 hours of continuous work on a project. Yeah.
The idea being that we can package that and sell that to a client, because the Frenchies are cheaper than the Australians for Australian clients. And so that's potentially a way to package work. Hey, you're in a rush, you want it done cheaper, the customer's like management overhead, we can do that for this.
So if you plan to do this next week, I reckon find someone in China too, so that you can have the 3 countries represented maybe. Because this would give a better image too.
But is there enough work to get?
Just in the video, if you go follow the sun, make sure you have the 3 countries.
Also,
I think.
We've been having daily scrums, Adam. It's just been quiet because of the public holidays and things like that. But we haven't been recording them for the video. So I'm probably catching up with Bajad. I'm going to spec review in the next 2 days. I've been trying, me and Bajad's been trying to get together to start that. But as far as I know, Bajad has contacted Marcus just to get sort of where he was at and what he's done so far and any other information that he can give Bajad. So we are making progress with that.
Right.
Cool.
Okay.
Sorry, that's not applicable. So let's go on.
Okay, let's move on to the sprint forecast email over there. Our sprint for the next, our goal for the next sprint are still those Markdown rendering issue. And as we've got Jake on the board, we're gonna ask him, to test all the migration, all the process, F5 experience. Yep. It's gonna be a 1-week sprint with 11 man days. And here is our backlog with all those Markdown issues and that the PBI about F5 experience there for Jake.
Can you bold the important ones?
Oh yeah, sure.
Thank you. What about the goals?
Yep.
Can I ask, that first one has been in review for 2-3 sprints now. Who needs to review that?
It's Matt.
Can you assign it to Matt?
Yeah, I can.
So it's visible.
Oh, yeah. I see now. Yeah, it's not assigned to me. Yeah, it's a good call.
Can I make a suggestion? Maybe I'm completely out of my mind, but if you're on board Jake, given that he's sitting next to the sysadmin's nest, isn't that a good occasion to get going on that Azure deployment?
Not in the sprint, no. Not in the sprint, no.
Okay.
We first want to make sure that the migration is working as expected, so we don't have to spend any more time on the migration, and then we can focus purely on Azure.
So these fixes with the MDX, do they require a new migration? Do they need you to do it again? No, it's just Next.js changes, isn't it?
I think so.
Yeah.
Right. So we won't need to migrate again, Gert?
I see. Sorry, you said Next.js changes only. Yeah, we don't need to, but we haven't tested it. We have been making changes to the migration script along the way. So, and for Jake to get up to speed with where we're at, I think it's good for him just to test the end-to-end of the migration again. And then that's also a good way for him just to get up to speed to where we're at.
All right. Any question?
No.
We're good?
Yep. You assigned something to me. What was that?
It's about a PBI, a documentation PBI. You are reviewing a documentation that Chloe made over here, and she's still waiting for your last review. So that's why I assigned you to the PBI.
Okay, I left some feedback on it. If it's been addressed, then it should be fine, I would have thought.
Okay.
Awesome. Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks, everybody. Oh, as always, misclick, sorry. As always, this video will be uploaded on our SSW YouTube channel. Thanks, everybody, to joining us, and we'll see you on the next sprint.
Thanks, Phil.
Bye-bye.
Thanks all.